YouTube, I am a lime green. Today I'm going to be doing a review and kind of like a tutorial on the Natasha Denona. I have the mini Lilia palette, this palette right here. I bought this at Sephora for $25. Sephora is currently having a $25 off $75 until the 12th or the 15th. If I am incorrect, I'll have the date right there. So I already set my eyes. I already put setting powder because this morning I did a full face of makeup. So I'm not about to waste my full face of makeup and take it off and redo it. So I'm just gonna protect myself just in case it's fallout and prime my eyes. I have not used this palette before, so, or any of her brands for that matter. So I'm very excited to dig into this palette and find out if I like it or not. So I am going to start. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, y'all, now I noticed I was kind of rude. I forgot to swatch these babies for you. So I'm gonna swatch it real quick. This is this color, that color, the gold color. So do y'all see this? Get into it. And then that tan color. So yeah, this is all the colors. So I'm gonna be right back and dig into this palette. Okay, I am back, y'all. So look at this pretty color. This is, darn, what color is this? What the fuck? I guess this is color 99. I'm sorry, y'all. It doesn't tell me the name. It just says 99. So yeah, I'm sorry. So I wanted to wear a purple, but I cannot find my purple, but this will do. This will do. So let me quickly take my hair out this thing. Myself right. All right. So let's get into the review on this palette. So now that I finished my eye look, oh yeah, let me show y'all. So I basically did like a quick, oh my gosh, can I talk? Correct. I basically did like a quick, tutorial on this makeup look. This is like an easy eye look for beginners. And the color is so gorgeous. Look at the color. It is gorgeous. I really like how this turned out. So initially I tried to do like, I don't know what I was thinking, trying to, get these two colors to match. It did work out though. This burgundy, I was able to put that in my crease. And then this color, I put on my edge of my eye to, fade out the color more. So it ended up working out very good. And I just used this color to put over my lid. I didn't even cut my crease because I want to do something simple for anybody who do not have a lot of time to sit for 30-40 minutes to do your eyeshadow. So this is a perfect look for anybody who only has like a couple minutes to do their eyeshadow and then get back to blend. Hey y'all, sorry about that. For some reason, I guess the camera is on 5%. I'm not sure why it's not charged, but it's not my phone, so I'm not sure why it's not charged, but anyway. So yeah, this eye look is a good eye look for any beginner It is a lot of color. It is very pigmented, but because it's just a smaller eyeshadow, it's good to create dramatic looks. You can create a lot of looks with just 3 colors in each pan. You can do this color, these 2, or these 2. Like, you can switch it and whatnot. For $25, like, this is a good deal. I'm gonna have to start trying her other palettes. Ooh, they're expensive though. They're like $129 a palette. Woo, I don't know if I want to spend that much. I can spend $25, but $129, I'm not sure about that one. So hopefully this camera is not that dark. It got dark at the end, so hopefully you all can see my eye look. So that is all that I got on this palette. I had a little bit of fallout, but that's about it, y'all. So thanks again for watching. See y'all guys.